All right, I just got this in the mail today, and my first impression is that it's big and it's heavy. Let's see what it looks like. Let's unbox it together. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's see what we got here. Like I said, it's fairly heavy. I'm gonna see how hard it is. One person setup. Look at all this space right here in the bag. What that tells me is that even if you don't fold it up correctly, you're still getting it in the bag. I love it when they do that because they have the foresight to know not everybody's going to fold it up the way it came from the factory. And so if you have a bag that's oversized, you're going to get it in. And so that's already a big plus. What else is in the bag? You have your poles in the bag by itself. You have your rope and your stakes in here. Oh, wow. I mean, that's right out of the gate, that's some good quality rope. Really thick rope with some metal, not plastic, or not anything that's going to break on you. That's pretty good. Let's see these stakes. Yeah, I gotta show you. These are tent stakes that I had in the ground. You see that right there? But this, so much stronger than that. Yeah, apparently these are glow in the dark too, so you won't trip over them if you're gonna get in there at night, which is what we use it for. That's our use case. We use it a lot at night to play games, and you're gonna throw some solar lights in there. And then the rain fly. That's it for what's in the bag, and then of course, yes, instruction. Do time lapse of how to set it up, and then give you my thoughts once the setup is done. One of the things I love about this design, I mean, normally on a normal, like easy up, you're messing with the poles and you got to get 4 people to get each side. I did this myself, and then maybe the last little part. But this, definitely recommend 2 people putting the top on if that's what you want to do. It just makes it a lot easier, a lot faster. It took me probably, I would say probably about 45 minutes to an hour to do it the first time. I could probably cut that down to 15 to 20 minutes. The thing that makes it really quick and really fast is this pulley thing. I have it in a deep press right now, and you just simply pull it, pop it out, right? And that's all you do. Just go around pulling it. And if I want to put it away, just depress them in. The other thing that I'll probably say is that I'm not a huge fan of is just the height right here, but kind of ducking in and doing this thing gives you that tent feel more than like a awning, easy up gazebo feel, because you got to keep ducking. But I mean, other than that, the construction, the material on this is solid, really solid. It really is like a tent. So that the UV rays are not going to fade it if you leave it out for a long time. The Velcro is solid. It's really good Velcro. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. I mean, even though I said that the entrance was low, when you stand in here, I can't touch the ceiling unless I press that in. So that was kind of a trick that I learned. If you come in here and you depress this, the awning, the top awning goes over really easy, a lot easier. So I'm just gonna press this up like that, and that tightens up everything. But like I said, I couldn't even touch the ceiling. I'm unless I get on a step stool to touch the ceiling there. But love the space. I mean, it is a lot of space. So my first initial thoughts are the installation is really easy to pop up, set up. I like it more than, it is a lot faster than like a traditional awning. If that's what you're looking for, you know, big outdoor space that you can leave set up, definitely this is one that I chose to go with and to rock with. And I'm right now, other than the dip on coming in, that's my only issue. Everything else was super easy, super fast, high quality, high construction.